One.
Where'd it go? I lost it. It just blew up. It literally blew up.
Yes, it exploded. That was successful. It exploded. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. It's over there. It's over there. I completely lost it. There it is. You got it.
3, 2, 1, launch. That was really short burn.
I got 69.
Another explosion! Oh, he's trying to go in there.
Mine crashed. That's that one. My video recording crashed.
Is there sulfur in these?
I know, but get all the fun.
He's happy.
That was a 16 grand.
3, 2, 1.
Sam, that is very dangerous. You should not go in there.
No! 3, 2, 1,
What do you mean? Record video.
Down, see?
3, 2, 1, launch.
Put it on, quick. Oh, there it is. Quick, put it on.
Nice, go to Cheryl.
What's that, Sam?
Sorry, Bradley. It's all getting deleted now. I lost it on the video.
It's astounding. Time is fleeting. Madness takes its toll.